We pride ourselves of being the best in what we do. We have several aspects of treatment, considering starting with non-operative management. We do probably more non-operative management than surgical management. We have several ways of getting people through their pain. The issue is how it overall affects you in your quality of life in a lot of the elective procedures that we do. And right there, good. And then squeeze my fingers tight as you can.
Very professional, very nice, very understanding.
Kind of at your elbow there.
Yeah.
If I not your elbow pin there, if I tap right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
As I go down to those fingers, yeah. The ultimate goal is to return them back to a functional level at or close to where they were before their issue started. Are you having any problems with your neck now, or?
Sore and achy. My ultimate goal is to reach some sort of happy medium. I know that there's a possibility that all of my symptoms may not go away, but I would like to return to as much of my active lifestyle as possible.
So this is looking at you from the side. That's all normal above my hand. The most satisfaction I get from my job is seeing people get better. That's our goal, is to, again, improve people's quality of life, get them back to their activity level before their issues started.
My goal is to be able to be pain-free and be able to live my life normally. I trust Dr. Small because I have had a good experience with him and all the people here that work here.
They'll get you up in the hospital and they'll get you walking, and then we'll start physical therapy outpatient. I can promise you that we'll do the best that we can of diagnosing your problem, and then try to see what we can do to lessen your symptoms and improve your quality of life.